How to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can be friends with someone without being friends with them on Roblox. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, open up roblox.com into one of your browser after opening your desktop, and after opening up, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your home screen. So you're just gonna go and search for that friend that you wanna add as without even being friends with them, and just click on as people after typing in the username, and you'll be able to find different ID. You may just click on the ID that you want to add someone without being friends with them, and here you'll be finding different options. Just click on that three dot and click on follow. After that is done, after that person, if that person follows you back, you two people will be able to be friends without even following each other. So therefore, just follow that process and you should be able to do it very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.